respected chairperson of this session, all the dignitaries, the paper presenters, emerging poets and writers, I extend a warm afternoon to you all. I am the present Khaneke architect. Since 1 year, research related, I am a research scholar working on the phonology and phonological processes and the loan word nativization into Tripura language from other languages. So, as for now, we have the uniqueness in Tripura language, the uniqueness of the sound feature, we have diphthong, owl. So the title of my paper is Diphthong owl, of a unique phonological property of Tripura. To start with, so the question is that the sound system starts with the alphabets. But in terms of since I am working on phonology, but the alphabet is phonemes. They are called phonemes. Now phonemes are basically divided into two parts. One is vowel and the consonants. So in Tripura language, it is very interesting to know that there are 10 vowels in Tripura language. Of them, 6 monophthongs and 7 diphthongs. And diphthongs to see the Shia Dona. I don't know if you are an expert, you are doing this, doing that. We also to share the diphthongs are 2 monophthongs being articulated together. They put in written monophthongs and add what the articulated can go to diphthong. The one I system start and E goes to I. This system is diphthong. If this diphthong are the particularly specific and paper, what are the owl? Very unique. Consider no language in my home. Owl. Owl. Since we are having shortage of time, I am direct. I am browsing using the moment browsing. I am sorry to say that, not sorry actually, I am not researching for a day night. Sini people, Thomas I think that the Zoom ship is not very good. I am not quite a familiar system. Homo basic process is often common selecting line. Then all the homo, so like that I will see one day but it will come to Aslo, Mumbai, Ewa, Khalid, also. Why do you use some examples like Zag? Actually, Aslo is developed of all options from Zag. Borok Zag, like Zag, cow, Rukra. Then people of Matisha, was it all the reason that they might believe that all those years. Kau ni jaga apa kai? Itu sekarang ada tu mana? Kau ni jaga Zaun itu cuma kita Zaun, Brukja Bangka, Aslam, Brukja Bangka, Bangka, right? Like Aphal, like tu masa Aphal. Itu same kau, tunggu tu tu sana Aphal ni apa? Kau sampai, kau kena Aphal, Ania Phasa. Kau sudah. Same example. हर ग्राम आसुल में तुम लोग कहाँ सनाए ग्राम खाने लोग उसे ग्राम राउठा राठा सुनते हैं सिंपली तो सिंपली साथ में मात्र तो साउंड कैसे since हमारे लोग यार बेटा मोटा सिंपली चाहिए तो सुना हमें जानना है हानी को बाबा ना आदमी फर्स्ट मोटर लाइट टाइटल कौन सी है Hasde dengan palai zakha. Does anyone pronounce like that? Yes, it is a palai zakha. Yes, it's handy. The true response I want to know. Purpose for which handy to know zakha. This is a partly pronunciation silent. Zal, lastly pronounce it. Palai zakha. Zakha is okay. Mohon example satu tu sal. Actually sal. Asal je real word sal. S-A-K but sal atau sal. Nije sal. Itu kalau kita bisa sal. Sani wang play. Sani bulai. Sani ukar play. Those sal play. Right? So this it has not been found in any other language. Now the more interesting thing is that this system नेटिभाइज खायनाय एडाप्ट खायनाय ओ गावनो जों ओइ सिस्टेमनो जों दावै दंनो दायो जेमन इंलिश वार्ड नायदि हाउ is in the how to how जों मा बिसा how go back here because go and go under the same in the same box of the consonant these are called velar sound velar stops जों go the sound खायनाय ओजा मा खायनाय how जों how की मा खायनाय how same thing प्रागारि जों प्राकिया प्रागारि same thing cloud cloud the forming cloud to go cloud same thing since the Bangla word is quite the spouse and the kids are by go penitors in the Bangla box and now masasim now by Tana now by Tana then go was yes in this whole same thing go by go was in the happening there is a Bengali man Mas जों गावबो सफैया सोरबा माल मासक माल मास आल जेरन सा दालां ओंखायनो जों बांला बाय इंलिश जों बायदिसा सेम only one example of हिंदी जों मका हिंदी को जेरन लाख जरान जे लाख 1 लाख 2 लाख जोंबो जों दिखो लाख हिया मान लाख लाख कैसा लाख कैनो 1 लाख 2 लाख So one of the major findings, one event for finding is, it has been so far sweat and blood in my research and since I joined for 6 months now. And after the main process of now the question comes. तुम्हारी लोग सुनो को पे को फिर इसलिए है कि आपका साउंड पे तुम्हारी हुई है the reason right reason तो सिर्फ शीना है तुम्हारी लोग सुनो को पे को because जों प्रिफार ओंखारो सेले लेजि right जों ओंखारो लेजि बाहाय देबा जों बेखौ साउन्ड फैनाय सिनि बुकुनि स्ट्राक्चार नायदि सागानि स्ट्राक्चार आरो ओंखारो दुवा होनाय दुवानि सागानि सा दादा लाइनखौ खायसे मा रिच right alveolar ridge बलाय सागानि मा होनायसो Pele mulai bilang, sekarang je kau jaga, hai bumi kau lagi tadi, ada jaga bilang. Sebelum tu mungkin je kau song kena, kalau ni je kau selain ni apa, mau sekarang bisa kau dia jaga, bisa kau dia. Ini tu macam, sen bunanya, sen je bilang baik, sekarang je bilang, bisa jadi kau selain ni apa, sen bunanya. Bukan kita mas song, lagi tu try, tu, sen je kau song kena, kau song. Now goes on, this try. Good, right? Thinking of Nangri get Hanani out here, from here, Taria, Nanakon, one reason, because it's not a castle, Nani on the entire vicinity was there, once in Nambia, I can handle it, call it, only come down, so, after Monani finding and paper, okay, thank you.